Hi guys, adding and subtracting 3 fractions na tayo. Yung mga questions natin dito ay similar lang doon sa ating naging last topic na least common denominator or LCD. So kakailanganin natin yung LCD doon. So ito yung mga naging LCD natin. 20, 18, 36, and 42. So kokopyahin ko lang to. 20 LCD 18 LCD 36 and LCD 42. Now, paano natin ngayon i-add or i-subtract yung mga fractions na to? Or paano natin i-perform yung kanilang given operations? Now, bawat isang fraction kailangan maging denominator nila is 20. So, ganito yan. 20 plus 20 minus 20. Now, paano natin malalaman yung bago niyang numerator? Ang gagawin natin, i-divide natin yung LCD doon sa lumang denominator. So, 20 divided by 5 is 4. Times natin yan ngayon sa lumang numerator na 4. So, 4 times 4 is 16. Gawin lang natin yung parehong process. 20 divided by 2 is 10 times sa lumang numerator, that is still 10. The third one, 20 divided by dun sa lumang denominator, divided by 4 is 5 times 3, that's 15. Now, dahil pare-pareho na yung denominator nila, or dahil ginamit natin yung kanilang LCD, maaari na natin i-perform yung kanilang operations. So, 16 plus 10 is 26. 26 minus 15, that is 11. Then, kopyahin mo lang yung denominator. Gawin natin yung parehong process. Gawa lang tayo ng tatlo na may over 18 minus again 18 divided by 18 is 1 times sa numerator na 25, that is still 25. 18 divided by 9 is 2 times sa numerator na 2 becomes 4. 18 divided by 6 is 3 times the numerator of 1, that's still 3. Now, pwede natin i-perform yung operations between them. 25 minus 4, that is 21. 21 minus 3, that is 18 over 18. So, here, sa case na to, pareho yung numerator at denominator. So, dahil pareho yung numerator at denominator, di-divide lang natin yan. 18 divided by 18, which is equals to 1. Tuloy lang natin sa third question. Gawa lang ulit tayo ng tatlong over 36 minus over 36 plus over 36. Divide natin si LCD sa lumang denominator. 36 divided by 3 is 12. 12 times 2 is 24. 36 divided by 9 is 4 times 5, that is 20. 36 divided by 12 is 3 times 11, that is 33. Now perform the operation. 24 minus 20, that is 4. 4 plus 33, that is 37 over 36. Again, mas malaki yung numerator kaysa sa denominator. Gagawin natin, ilang 36 meron sa 37? Isa lang. Tapos, para madali mong malaman kung ilan yung magiging numerator mo, i-minus mo sila. 37 minus 36 is 1. And then copy the denominator, 36. So the final answer here is 1 and 1 over 36. Sa pang-apat na question, gawa lang ulit tayo ng 3 over 42 minus over 42 plus over 42. 42 divided by 6 is 7. 7 times 5 is 35. 42 divided by 42 is 1 times 25 is 25. 42 divided by 7 is 6 times 4, that is 24. Now let's perform the given operation. 35 minus 25, that is 10. 10 plus 24, that is 34 over 42. So dito, hindi pa ito yung final answer natin. Dahil parehong even number yung dulo nung ating naging numerator at denominator, it means pareho yung divisible by 2. So i-divide natin yung numerator and denominator by 2 para ma-reduce natin yung ating final answer into its lowest term. So 34 divided by 2 is 17 over 42 divided by 2 is 21. Ito na ngayon yung ating final answer. Now, gawin mo yung sumunod na item dahil nakuha mo naman na yung iyong LCD dito last time. Comment mo yung answer mo ha. I hope natutunan mo siya. Salamat sa panonood.